Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the UCOUSO UC28A USB-C Hub. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this USB Type-C hub is designed for the MacBook Pro. And it's available in silver as well as grey. This is the silver one. So let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding the sleeve off. And we can set the sleeve at the top. And let's set the box down and take a look around it as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open it up by flipping the lid up, and then that reveals a leather type wallet or pouch. Let's go ahead and lift that out from the box and the rest of the contents as well. So there appears to be a card as well, so paper card right there, and just double checking, nothing left on the underside of the box. Okay, so as you can see, that's the contents of the box. Let me just set the box slightly lower right there, and then you can have a better view of what we've just removed. Okay, so that's the UCOUSO UC28A contents removed from the box. We're going to set the box aside, and there appears to be a card as well, which I didn't quite notice, so there we go. So do a bit of reframing there. Okay, so that's the contents. Let's first take a look at this card here. So it appears to be, once we flip it up, we'll find out. I'll flip it open. So there we go. So there is, see if I can move the items around a little bit here, just so you can see the card more clearly. So there is a card with some information on it. Alright, and what it is a thank you card or fold out leaflet with some information about the USB-C hub. And the reverse side, a little bit more information there. Okay, so taking a close-up look. So shows the compatibility of the USB Type-C hub, and a bit more information. So pretty informative and nicely designed kind of fold out leaflet there. We can now set it to one side right there and move on to the next item here, which is a customer satisfaction card with contact details. So we can also set that down to one side right there. May have to rejig it a bit later. So let's move on to the main event, which is the USB Type-C hub itself. So as you can see, it is packaged in a nice dark brown pouch. And there is that UCOUSO stamping right there. And you can see it is a fine grain leather pouch. So pretty nice looking. Let's go ahead and flip the kind of latch open right there. And it is a magnetic cover. And let's slide the USB-C hub out. So pretty slim. And this one's in grey. And it's available in silver as well. Let me set the USB-C hub down for just a moment. Just making sure that there's nothing else left in there. So just going to finger the pouch a little bit. There we go. So that's the pouch. And now moving on to the USB-C hub from UCOUSO. So you can see just how compact it is, and it is very cold as well. So it is made out of aluminium. So very light in weight and very slim in profile. You can see just how thin it is. So it does have two USB Type-C hubs or ports, and then a micro SD slot at the top above the SD card slot, and then two USB 3.0 ports on the right hand side. So this USB-C hub supports SuperSpeed, so it will support up to 40 megabits per second data transfer and 5 megabits per second on the USB 3.0 ports. So nicely finished. I'm just showing you the details of the USB Type-C hub. So very slim and nicely finished. Once again showing you just how small it is right there, and very light in weight as well, being made out of aluminium. So beautiful detail. I'm just going to hold it at the right angle just so you can see the ports and the finish as well. So nice and slim, as you can see. And on the underside of the UC28, you can see the different indicators lining up with each of those ports or sockets or slots. So nice and slim with the grey finish on it, and it's so light with the aluminium satin finish on it. Let's take a look from this side as well. So showing you both sides. So that's the UCOUSO UC28A USB-C hub. Thanks for watching and happy transferring!